Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, I just found a kitchen that is the actual definition of dream home, and I have to tell you everything. This is a Modern Tudor Organic masterpiece, and wow, the vibes are immaculate. Gone are the days of cold, stark modern kitchens. This room is all about warmth, you know? It's giving us that cozy, earthy feel without sacrificing 1 inch of luxury. Look at these cabinets. They're this gorgeous light oak, totally reaching all the way up to that impressive 9-foot 6-inch ceiling. It makes the whole space feel so much bigger, doesn't it? The integration is insane. They even paneled the refrigerator. It just melts right into the wall. And that island? Stop it. It's easily 8 feet long, maybe 3 feet 6 inches deep, huge enough for meal prep and grabbing coffee. It solves that classic kitchen drama where everything feels cramped and cluttered. Here, everything has a place, and the light beige stone countertop is just the perfect neutral canvas. Plus, they have that cool built-in coffee maker. It's like having your own barista station right there. Honestly, if your current kitchen is feeling boring or dated, blending that classic Tudor structure with these soft organic wood and beige tones is a total game changer. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.